trip across the sea, way up high to the other side. Met some friends from a different land, Chamorros and Hawaiians, hand in hand. A beautiful place with sunny skies. Chamorros and Hawaiians feeling fine. There's no other place besides Hawaii than in Guam, in the middle of the sea. There has a special way of showing their love. It makes you want to stay. And while you're there, you will receive all the love and beauty you've got to give. A beautiful place with sunny skies. Chamorros and Hawaiians feeling fine. There's no other place besides Hawaii than in Guam, in the middle of the sea. Take my hand and come with me. Let's take a trip across the sea to a land so simple and